Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this bitmap from a JPEG and they want to be able to cut it out in like an Intarsia, like you would with a scroll saw, but they want to use their laser. And it's going to be a little complicated, and this video probably won't be helpful for too many people because there is a lot of problems with this drawing. There are a lot of double lines, but I'm going to go through it and do it the way I would do it. So I've got it traced, I've got it ungrouped, and I'm just going to show you how I would do it. First of all, like this is the same color. It does have this line there, but we don't really need that line. So I'm going to make that one piece. So my item is 5.9, so I put my nudge factor, let's put my nudge factor on 7 inches. And let's grab, the easier ones, let's grab that. I'm going to arrow key over to the left. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to grab this one, left click. Well, there's evidently something hidden there. So what you have to do then is just smart fill it. I'm moving over to the right, left click, right click. We'll do one more in this section of this part of the dog, a little bit bigger part. And left click, right click. What I'm doing, and somebody asked me one time, left click, right click, I'm left clicking no fill and right clicking an outline. Now, it would all depend. This is basically all one color of the dog, but if you're going to do some Intarsia work, and Intarsia is just blending other species of wood together. So you could still do it with 3 pieces, but you need to get rid of this double line. So for instance, we're going to get rid of this one piece just for a second. We're going to move it over. And we're going to make this 2 pieces, but we're going to make that line a lot closer. And with doing this, you're going to, I don't know how I made that purple. I want it to be red, so I know it's a cut line. Now I'm going to get rid of this bad node right here. Take the shape tool and just click on it and hit delete. Now to get rid of that double line, basically, take the smaller of the 2 pieces, get your shape tool and click on it, and then just move this node to there, and then you can delete that node, maybe move this node, and it doesn't really matter the positioning of your nodes right now, as long as you get them onto the other side of that red line, and you'll see why in just a second. We're pretty much done that. Now we're going to take our virtual segment delete key, and we're going to delete this new line that we just made. So now you've got 2 pieces, and this is what's so neat about the color fill or the smart fill tool. We're going to fill that in, we're going to arrow key it over. We're going to smart fill that, and we're going to arrow it over. So now, tell you what, let's put this one piece back. So now you have 2 pieces with just one hairline between them. Now this is going to very easily cut out. It is going to cut this line twice because there's 2 lines there, as you can see. But there's really no way around that because you're going to cut these out of 2 different kinds of wood. But you want them, when you put them in, you want them to be butted up. Now in doing this, I have a couple of videos on contouring that all these pieces, like 3/1000 of an inch, to make the fit really tight. So we've got that done. We're going to get the next piece and we're going to move it over. And that's what's so nice about the nudge distance, because we can keep it the same. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click, I'm going to click on the smaller part. I'm going to bring that node down there, bring that node, and just as long as you're past that double line, basically what we're doing, we're creating a new line. But to keep the artistic part of the dog, you want to delete this line now. So we're going to go to virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Now take your smart fill tool, fill that in. We're going to make sure we don't have anything over there. We're going to move it over. Smart fill, we're going to move it over. Smart fill, we're going to move it over. So now we have basically 3 pieces of that dog done. And I'm not going to tell you this is going to be easy. We're going to select all 3 of them. We're going to left click no fill, right click hairline. So there's the 3 pieces of the dog already done. Now after I was through, I would probably go up here and clean this up. But we have a lot more to do, you know, because you want these smoothed out. So you've gotten these and you can delete these other ones. And then you can start working on other parts of the dog. Now some of them are going to be a little bit harder, and I'm going to break the video in 2 and show you how to do the other one. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.